Want to make euphoria funk like this? The FL Studio project file of this song is linked below. Let's get started. First, start with the music. This is the source song you will be sampling. Make sure it matches your tempo of 130 BPM. Next, you're going to want to duplicate that sample to add more volume, and then add volume automations to it. Do the same thing with the source bass. Give it a volume automation, but don't duplicate it. It'd be too loud anyway. Add a nature forest atmosphere to add more ambience. Now it's time to funkify it. Create a heavy bass one-shot pattern and write some basic notes in it. Add drums and effects. You need heavy kicks, perks, risers and impacts, bolas, acapellas, and vocal effects. You can get all these samples that I have used, plus 20,000 more in the Brazil Funk drum kit. I have linked it below. If you want to see how it was put together, mixed, and mastered, the FLP link is below. Join the Discord server for free FLPs and sample packs. Subscribe, and let's listen to final results.